Hey, bro.
Hey, bro.
Don't mind me. I'm measuring stuff. It's gonna be good in no time. Alright, Mikey, what are we doing today?
That's what I'm here for.
Alright, Mikey. We gotta fix the engine. We didn't get that perfectly aligned.
Yeah.
But we don't need that. That, and we kind of can't mount this outside how it was before, so kind of tucking it up under here. You'll see when I'm done. Anyway, we gotta cut that off, get it up in there. But because of where it was, just sitting in there, we should get the same amount of movement through the pedal, just pulling it back a bit so we can actually get it out through there. Because stock one won't fit, and this one will fit, but you have to pull it back in there. But yeah, anything bolted to the firewall is now too close. It will, touch. We don't want that. Actually, won't even touch. It just won't fit. But.
Yeah, I was gonna say. So yeah, it goes there, and there's a head in the way now. But Ian pointed out that the engine is not straight. So all that work I did was for nothing. So, gonna get it straight in the car and then go from there.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro, you mind turning it down for me?
Okay, try it.
I moved it anyway, so.
We got the mount moved. And the engine's sitting in there better now. Ian's got that firewall plate in place. He's tacking it in now.
It needs more massaging. The light sensitivity on this helmet is like crazy high, so every time I turn it's like...
You should have a hammer in there.
I guess safety glasses on underneath the helmet too. I forgot about that. Bro.
Do you want a big hammer? Big hammer. Big boy hammer?
Oh, it's the little hammer. Hey, bro. Got the safety squints on? There's like a little space because you kind of had to like cut it right here to like get it to bend where you wanted it.
Yeah.
But that's actually not too bad.
No, that'll work out. It's not pretty, but you won't ever see it, so.
Yeah.
Okay, he's going to continue on that. right, Ian, what have we gotten done?
Our stencil actually worked out okay. That's like mostly one welded in. Need some more massaging and little holes filled, but like you hold that button just like slightly too long, you've like burned through it. So we're working with that. But it all fits together, and the engine looks pretty straight now. So I'm gonna take a video. Then finish welding this thing.
And then while Ian was sitting there not doing anything because I stole his helmet, I am modifying this intercooler that I spent good money on to work for my application. But yeah, so I gotta grind this section down a little smooth, a little lower, and then weld that piece in. And yeah, be pretty slick. It's getting warm in here though. All right.
Are we back?
We're back.
Okay, then.
Quick intermission. So what do we got going on here?
All right. So normally this sits like actually outside, like here approximately, like so. So you only get like so much pedal movement out of it, in space. But what we're going for, because okay, it's gone. Now that it's so much further back, I'm gonna try and fit it on the inside of the firewall. Similar idea, but we'll have to re-drill that, probably cut the threads off. But because we're only moving it inwards and adjusting it like where it should be, I think we should get about the same pedal movement out of it. So it should work, and we should just have to weld some mounts onto this. How to get it in there and out of there when we weld mounts on might kind of suck, but
It's gonna be pulling a pedal box.
to change this?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's not the worst. It's only a few 12s. So I mean, like, it's not too bad.
So we just got to take that steel there and make a piece that fits over that.
Let's do.
Right by the dipstick, there's a piece of sheet metal, plate steel.
I see.
That's aluminum.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't work on it.
That's gonna be awfully hard to weld to the steel.
So that's good. We'll work with it. Is this not that I-beam?
No,
The I-beam we chopped up?
no, that's the steel from the same steel that we used to make the subframe.
Oh,
Okay, so kind of tough to tell, but we got the master cylinder, clutch master mounted. Brake pedal box is back up in there. Come around the car here. Everything sits in there nicely. I gotta modify these two holes. I gotta open them up a bit. I just opened them up, but I went the wrong way. And yeah, there's that. Come around to the front here. Master cylinder, clutch master's right there. Fits nicely, just clears the head. Be able to put the brake booster, the clutch master cylinder there somewhere, is probably like that. It'll work out nice. That solves that issue. We still got to get that panel finished welded in. But yeah, I think that's going to wrap this video up on the Subaru for this week. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Tell your friends, share it with everyone. And we'll catch you in the next one.